Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a First Move Unwind. I recommend you know how to do a First Move already and a Basket Unwind. I'll put links to those in the description below, so it's quick and easy for you to go back and look at them if you want to. Jumping in, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's break it down. It starts like a standard first move. We go back, we come in, we twist out. This is where it changes. We're going to bring the lady forwards, we're going to bring the left hand between us, so we're taking the lady in a return direction through the middle, releasing with the right, rolling the lady out to something that feels like a mirror version of a Wurlitzer position. We're not going to do a spin, we're instead going to rewrap the lady, so we bring the lady towards us, taking the hand through to the left, so the lady's in a turn direction, all the way around, back to the guy's side, collecting the shoulder en route, straight into the twist out, and then just finish the first move off, as you normally would. From the other side, with numbers, so we can kind of get another feel for it and see the other view. So we go back 1, in 2, twist out 3, rolling away 4, preparation 5, rolling back 6, twisting out 7, in 8, turning 1, facing 2, return 3, and back 4. So let's try it together and see if it works. Here we go. 5, 6, first move, unwind. We go a back, in, twist, roll, prep, rewind, twist, twist, turn, face, return, and back. And that is that. Hope you enjoy that. Hope that's fun for you out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking helps promote the channel and the move, so big thank you to everyone who does that. Subscribing promotes the channel even more, so super thank you to everyone who does that. And notifications mean you get told every time a new video comes out if it's turned on in your settings. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice this move to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.